Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay then, we are already on day 4 of foundation hunt week. Have we found we've not found a foundation that works so far, and how exciting would it be if this is the foundation that does it, because as you can see by the title, she is $1. Yes, she is $1. Some of you may have heard of the website shopmissa.com. I've had quite a few people, say, can I check out that website? I've always said, I will. I say I will. It doesn't mean I will right away, but just know if you mention something, I will check it out eventually at some point. Okay, so I was on their website, and basically everything on the website is $1. Everything. Foundation, brushes, lip gloss, everything is $1. So I got a foundation from at least one brand that I've actually heard of on there, because it's not like, Shop Miss A foundation. It's, a website that sells other brands on their website, but just for $1. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up here. So this is the LA Colors Liquid Makeup in the shade Black Walnut. I started to rip the plastic off, but then I realized that the ingredients on it are on the plastic and not the bottle itself. And I figured, at least read a few of the ingredients since it's just $1. You know how brands like to say, well, it costs that much because, we put this, that, and that in the foundation. So I'm wondering like what ingredients are in a $1 foundation. So let me hold off on ripping that plastic off there and see what it says about this foundation on the website. Now on their website, you know how most websites, when you click on one product, it takes you to that page and then you can click whatever shade you want? It's not like that on their website. It's literally like everything separated on its own. So I'm gonna have to go back during the day and count how many shades this comes in. But for now, I'm just going to read the first one that pops up, which is Ebony. Again, this retails for $1 for 1.11 fluid ounces. This is a lightweight bottle with easy to use pump design, sheer natural finish, leaves skin with a healthy natural finish. Okay, short, sweet, and to the point. Let's see. Ingredients. The first one is water, mineral oil. There's fragrance in this foundation. I have sensitive skin. Alcohol. Okay, I have sensitive skin. My excitement just quickly plummeted there, but we're already here. So, okay then. So, one pump. You know when you can feel like the product's about to start coming? It keeps feeling like that, but nothing. Wait. That's how much one pump, maybe one pump is all that you need. But I also didn't go ham with my under eyes, so. All right, well, you know what? Let's see what one pump gives. Oh yeah, no, we're gonna need more than one pump here. Okay, at least it's not, doing. What is it? What is going on? Oh, is it a lock on this or something? Oh, okay, well, I'm not sure how many pumps that was, but that's how much it gave me there. So pump might be a little faulty there. Okay, yeah, you can smell the fragrance in this. You can smell it from far away on your face. Hopefully it doesn't stay the whole day. What am I supposed? That's a whole waste of product. Okay, so after 40 days and 40 nights, we can start blending this out. Ooh, we might have got a shade match there. She's blending out nice. So this is the foundation on my face. I couldn't tell you how many pumps that was, but there is still some little dark spots that are noticeable on my face there. So I might go in with just, attempt to go in with just a little bit more on those areas and then set my face. Let me see what's going on with this pump. It's like you can't push it. And oh, it's like you start pushing it and a little product comes out and then nothing happens. And then you keep pushing and it just busts out. Okay, you know what? That's enough to cover just a few areas that I mentioned. Okay, so I didn't do any eyeshadow, or am I gonna put any mascara on, because I woke up and my eyes were pretty irritated today. We are getting into that spring. We're almost in June, but spring weather. Wait, no, when does summer start? Oh, we should already be in spring, right? Because doesn't summer start June 21st? Yes? I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comments down below. But we should be, you know, in that like allergy season and stuff like that. So I'm assuming that's why they were irritated. But just to play it safe, you know, I'm a lay off today. And so that's the foundation on my face. Remember, this is set, this is not. I actually blend it out really easily once you get it out of the bottle. And I'm digging this shade on my face. I'm a little worried about the fragrance. It's really strong. It's a really strong scent. Even now, I've got these other products on my face, other layers. You can still strongly smell it. And I have sensitive skin. So that's what I'm worried about here. But we're going to go about the day, see what it's like. It is 12:04. So I'll see y'all in a few hours. So it is 4 in the afternoon on the dot. And this is on my face. Look at my face, okay? Not set side, set side. Not set side. Oil is already starting to show. That's the only thing that I'm noticing here. It's not like it's moving or anything like that, but oil is starting to show. And then the side that has powder on it, sis is still out here thriving, living her best life. Okay, so I am back and it is now 6:47 and this is what my face is looking like. Y'all, I am sweating, okay? And when I say sweating, I mean sweating. This wig is not helping, and the 5 lights surrounding me are also not helping, okay? But that being said, the fact that I am sweating as hard as I am right now is hot. Again, Mother Nature's like, you're gonna get whatever season I give you on the day of the week. With that being said, look at my face, okay? This is the side that is not set with powder, and this side is set with powder. Just in case you're not noticing anything there. You see my oil production on this side of my face? You see the oil production or lack thereof on this side of my face with just some powder? Because again, keep in mind, Farsali liquid glass is not a mattifying primer. Hello, and this is a $1 foundation. Okay, that's what has me mind blown here on the, not only is it a $1 foundation, it's a $1 foundation that said it was a natural finish, not a matte finish. It's not supposed to keep you matte throughout the day. It's supposed to give you that your skin, but better, you know, natural, flawless looking skin. Okay, typically not the type of formula for oily skin there that looks like this with just some powder on it, and it's $1. Okay, I mean, to think, so far the foundation that I've been most impressed by this week is $1. Oh, I forgot to count the number of shades. I don't know if I'll remember and have the number pop up somewhere here on the screen. As far as the shade that I picked for myself, I am not mad whatsoever. Listen, if you're a makeup artist out there, or you know, you have a kit and you need some shades, they're all $1, fam. Okay, a whole $1. The only thing that has me a little cautious about this foundation is the fragrance, because again, some of the ingredients. Look through the ingredient. The ingredients probably won't be online. I don't know. But I'm pretty sure LA Color's own website. You gotta be able to find the ingredients somewhere. Look through the ingredients. The only thing I'm a little worried about is the whole fragrance thing, because I have very sensitive skin. Like, really, y'all have been here through the things that have gone on with my skin and testing out products here on this channel. So that's the only thing I'm worried about. Maybe tomorrow, before I film the next foundation, I'll show my face, you know, when I wake up, to see if anything happens, any breakouts. The only, I think, breakout that's sticking out to me right now is that bad boy right there. Okay then, looking kind of rough there, but I did say I would try to remember to film my face the next morning after trying the LA Colors foundation, and I don't have any breakouts, so we might be onto something with this $1 foundation. I'm gonna go film day 5. So we'll see if I have any, you know, new breakouts in the morning, but really it is just the whole, you know, fragrance thing and having sensitive skin, because I don't really feel like really much on either side that it's really moved or anything like that. And this side of my face, you know, this could still look fire-ish if I just, you know, blot some of these areas a little bit. You know, maybe it won't One of these days I'll remember to bring the blotting powder when I come back. Let me see if I can find some tissue. Okay, this is this is all we got here. So if I just go over my oily areas. And there was no powder on this side. Listen, we gonna have to figure something out with this foundation, all right? Because she might have done something. But like I was saying, oh, but that's what that transfer looking like. Can you see it? That's what that's looking like there. Didn't feel like it moved throughout the day. Didn't feel like it really separated. I feel like it still has very nice finish. There wasn't much in the description of it other than the fact that it was, you know, supposed to be like a natural finish. It is buildable. I feel like you can build it up, build it down however you want to, but straight out of the bottle, I would say this is a pretty medium coverage foundation. Buildable, coverage, finish. I'll insert that flash test right here. Shades. Oh, there's no feel to it. Y'all know how I feel about feeling foundations. It's been pretty lightweight throughout the day. If I wasn't remembering that I'm in the middle of filming foundation week, I probably would have forgot that I had makeup on my face right now. And I think that is pretty much it that I have to tell you guys about this foundation. I'm surprised. I mean, I don't want to get my hopes up because, you know, I don't want to wake up tomorrow and my face is just like that episode of Martin. But for now, so far, you know, it took day 4 to have a foundation that we are not disappointed in trying. Okay. I am so hot, y'all. It's not even funny. It's a good thing I did not glue this wig down. Like, look, I'm gonna just plop it on for each day a foundation hump because it's too hot for all that. Okay, legit, it's literally just plopped on there. I'm just using it to film these videos because other than that, like, I'm taking it off and just rocking the wig cap or a head wrap because it's too hot for this. But yeah, that is it for this video. So I hope hearing about this foundation, let me know if any of you have tried this before because it's not new, like, whatsoever. There were videos from like two something whatever years ago. Let me know if any of you have tried this, if you like it, if it's done anything to your skin, because I did see some like 1 or 2 star reviews on Shop Miss A. But yeah, I hope seeing it on my face and hearing some of my thoughts has helped. If any of you would like to check this foundation out for yourself, make sure to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you on the next one. Bye. Just pushing my wig back that far was like, you know that feeling when you finally take your bra off and your boobs just like, I'm free? Just pushing it back that far has me feeling like that right now. So just imagine the whole, oh, I'm telling you, feels like I just threw some cold water in my face because I'm hot. Oh wow. I took the wig off and I haven't taken a flash photo yet. This one's easier to put back on, so just gonna, yep, that's what we doing.